Hi friends, it's Barry, and let's solve this geometry puzzle together. The square FGHI has area 80. So this is our square FGHI. The points J, K, L, M are marked on the sides of the square so that FK equals GL equals HM equals LJ, IJ, and FK equals 3 kg. What is the area of the shaded region? So we have a couple of choices here from 40 to 20. So let's think about this problem. So I'm going to use this bigger diagram here. Okay. So we are given that the area of the whole square is 80. And we have the points J, K, L, M, M. They are on the sides of the square so that the lines segments JK, FK is equal to GL, that is equal to HM, and that is equal to IJ. So they are of the same length. And there's also another relationship between FK and KG. So FK is this bit and KG is this bit. And we know that FK is 3 times that of KG. So let's call the length of KG D. And if that's the length of KG, then we know the length of FK must be 3D. That's because FK equals 3 kg. So the whole side of the square must be 4D because 3D plus D is 4D. So if that's the side and we're given the area, then we can use the formula for the area of a square. So 4D squared is equal to 80 because we multiplied the side by itself. So that gives us 16 D squared equals 80. And so D squared equals 80 divided by 16, and that is 5. So we know D squared is 5. So let's look at this triangle here, okay? Well, we know that KG must also be equal to the length FJ. So FJ also has length D, right? Now, this is a right angled, okay? So the triangle FKJ is a right angled triangle. And because it is a right angled triangle, we can find the length of JK by using the Pythagoras theorem. So JK squared equals 3D squared plus D squared. So JK squared is equal to 9D squared plus D squared, which is 10D squared. Okay, so JK squared is 10D squared. Now, JK is the length of the side length of the inner squared. So that means the area of that inner square, so the area of inner square must simply be JK squared, which is just 10D squared, right? So the area here, all of this, is just 10D squared. And we know what D squared is. D squared is 5. Now this is very important for us because notice that the shaded region that we are after, so these two triangles, right, they are simply half of the area of the square. So the shaded region here is simply half the area of the inner square. Well, that is just half of 10d squared. So half times 10d squared, that is 5d squared, okay? And we already know what d squared is. Well, what is d squared? D squared is just 5. So we know that the area of the shaded region is 5 multiplied by 5, which is 25. So the answer is B. And that's it for today's video. If you learned something new, please comment, like, and subscribe, because I'm curious to know how you solve this problem. So I'll see you in the next one. Take care.